Hey everyone, today we're comparing two popular IPTV boxes, SuperBox and Vseebox. Let's find out which one is worth your money. First up, SuperBox. This box has been around for almost 7 years and is known for being super easy to use. You just plug it in and start watching. It comes with over 1,000 live TV channels built right in. The newest model is the S7 Max, which supports up to 6K resolution. It has 4GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. One big selling point, you pay once and that's it. No monthly bills ever. SuperBox also has voice control, 7-day playback, and parental controls. The setup is really simple even if you're not tech savvy. However, some experts warn that the IPTV service might not last forever. Now, let's talk about Vseebox. This brand is newer, starting in 2020, but it's grown fast. The latest model is the V5 Pro, which runs on Android 12. It has 4GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, just like SuperBox. But here's where it gets interesting. You can spend storage up to 2TB with some models. VCBox also gives you 1,600 channels and 50,000 on-demand titles. It has voice control through Google Assistant and supports 8K resolution on higher-end models. The V5 Pro uses better Wi-Fi technology and has a larger remote that's easier to hold. Users say the interface is cleaner and more modern. So, which is better? Both offer similar features: no monthly fees, thousands of channels, voice control, and easy setup. SuperBox wins on simplicity. It's perfect if you just want something that works right out of the box with zero hassle. Vseebox wins on performance and storage. It handles 4K content better and gives you more room to grow. The interface is also sleeker and more user-friendly. Bottom line, choose SuperBox if you want simple and reliable, and choose Vseebox if you want more power and better features. Both will save you hundreds compared to cable. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.